Good night. My name is Sandra Velosa. In this space, we'll talk about a topic that is affecting socially, especially young people. The internet is a useful tool for addictive. More and more children and young people spend more hours in front of the computer, hence with great skill. This is how young people like the virtual and the digital as lifestyle and the way of relating socially and personally. The internet is a tool that has negative and positive things, but it is inevitable that children access the network. This is part of their social and educational development. It offers resources such as news, libraries, training materials, as well as games and communications of great use for children's and young people without them having to travel. Also, on the internet, children can easily access the appropriate content, such as violent or pornographic images, and another big and concern is privacy. Parents and children are often not responsible for the great risks that are exposed to shared personal data in the red. Social networks and virtual games also expose minors to the threat of stalkers, traffickers, and others who want to harm them. So, children and young people are increasingly present on the internet, so one of every 3 hours worldwide is a child. But there are still very few measures to protect them from the risks of the world digital and to rise of your access to secure content. Noting that young people are the most current age group in the world. It is estimated that 71% use the internet compared to 48% of the total population. The network and new technologies have become a double-edged sword. On the one hand, they offer enormous advantages, and on the other hand, they entail great risks as a result of their misuse. But what are main risks associated with misuse of the internet? One, access to unavoid or face content. Two, dedication of excessive time to seek information. The easy of access to pages with dangerous or harmful information. For example, images with sexual pornography or violence content. Interacting with strangers via chats on certain social networks can facilitate unwanted contacts that can use fake identities. Finally, the easily accessible and fascinating virtual world can create a compulsive, nervous, and increasingly addictive child if there are no limits and adult supervision. Thank you for your attention.